Guys, good morning. Wake up, guys. Come on. Join me. Let's play basketball. This is my friend, Roy and Allen. Number 1, driving scooter, going to Street 10. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my vlog, Yorme 23. Stay safe, stay healthy, always.
Shoutout mga batang Omar, Pasay, Libertad, Tramo, De Reyes, and Inocencio, legendary Roysen on the hoop. Play mo ng basketball, Yorme, shoutout mga CB.
Thank you.
Mga sakalan, Dream Island.
Hello, Shipsy, Concourse A, number 1, Mia
Morning.
Mia.
Morning.
Pakita mo ulit yung 3 points mo. Boss, shoutout ka sa mga tropa mo.
Mayor, Yorme.
Mga tropa mo, shoutout sa Dubai.
Ano?
Shoutout sa Dubai.
Shoutout sa Dubai.
Number 1, number 1.
Number one. Oh, no.
3 points.
Bang!
Hindi ba talira? Hindi nakabulo rito. Yun lang talaga.
Shoutout!
Shoutout!
Taga Street 10. Good morning.
Morning, Yorme. Good morning, Yorme.
Hello to all my friends. India, Pakistan, Nepal, Kenya, China, Morocco, Sri Lanka, Africa, Bangladesh, Emirati, Egyptian. Stay safe. Take care always.
Game ball.
Best regards to all CB Terminal 3 Cooks aka LeBron James, Sandro, Larry, Eman, Tatarod, Menjil, Papa Ken, Master, Rodel Versace, and Michael Ketoy. Stay pretty boy.
Bang! Idol, tira!
Hello to katropang Miguel Loverboy, Dulo, Albert Pardillo. Take care always. Enjoy your life. Shout out to all IT department. Also, congratulations my batchmate, paring Jinel. Job well done.
Time out daw, time out.
Wala na. Paano kami dun tayo.
Best regards to all my big boss. Dubai Duty Free, number 1, Mia Mia.
Libre ka, tira.
Stay healthy, stay safe always. Hello to all BA Perfume Shop, Concourse A, Shipsy, Edgar ng Creation, Julius ng Gucci, Opa Jake Versace. Amado ng Karcher. Hello to all Emirates Hospital. Work safe. Stay healthy. Enjoy your life. Shout out Rega Boys, Sherwin, Westbrook, Carlos, Boss Reggie, Onen, Rickrock, and Rimar. Stay pretty boy, my friend. Rosalinda Perigamo, Katrina ng Sisli. Stay beautiful and take care. Hello to Michael Sanchez, Billy Nandaison, Ron Keremit, and Danny. Take care always. Guys, come and play. Street 10, number 1, Rakam Wahid. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We love you all. Maasalam.